Guess what came in the mail today? I am so super excited. I was waiting a couple of weeks for it, and lo and behold, it's here. Ta-da! It's my Subscribe pillow. Woo! Actually, it's my Subscribe pillow cover, and it's 18 by 18, and it's made of polyester material. And look how nice this is. Another nice feature is it's double-sided, and it also has this very private, concealed, hidden zipper. And that's gonna be easy to stuff as well as clean. So let me put a pillow in this and see what it looks like. Okay, so I just put in an old pillow, and now I'm going to zip it up. Very easy. Ta-da! It's my new Subscribe pillow. This looks so awesome, and it's a great call to action. I can just keep it in the background, and it's subtle, and you don't even have to ask for the people to subscribe. It's just in the background, and I think it's pretty awesome. I definitely recommend it.